Buon Natale!
Merry Christmas. Yes, we are.
It's Christmas already.
Yes, December 24th. Wow. That was like, woof. We went fast. It went by really fast. So how was this little kid's pasta journey?
Wasn't it fun?
Yeah.
Didn't you enjoy them making all these pasta shapes? See them in the kitchen getting messy and getting dirty, but happy, creative, having fun, using their hands, making dough and enjoying the pasta that you helped them cook. Isn't it wonderful?
Yeah, that's such an incredible family moment that you've had, and I really hope that you also had other little chefs come and do it together, because that's also very fun.
Also because, you've had your kids at home from school on vacation. I mean, what a great way to entertain them without the day instead of having them, on screen time or watching TV. I mean, it's an amazing way to spend time having fun and creating something that you're going to enjoy at the table after.
Yes. And what can we say? First of all, we really hope that you enjoyed it, that you have made family moments, or if you haven't yet, that you will. Remember, you can watch these YouTube videos whenever you want, but we have also put all this content into an online course, which is of course called Little Hands Big Pasta, because it is a kids only pasta making journey. We'll share the link below. And in the course, we even put a little gift for you grown-ups. Because
You're so kind.
I'm such a generous person. Because if you don't know yet, we have an incredible online community.
I would call it more than incredible. It's wonderful.
Yeah, I mean, we're actually speechless by the people that are part of our community. It's also an online Italian food and wine school. This is for adults. It's called Casa Local Aromas because it is our home online. It's your home online.
It's your Italian home online.
It's your Italian home online. And there are so many incredible people from all over the world that we meet in this private community that we have. And we meet every Sunday. We have challenges every week. We do live Zooms.
We have chats. We share our food. We share our recipe. We share our creation. It's just a moment of just being together as a family, because actually it has become our family.
No, that is our extended family.
It's our extended family.
You see us in a way that we never show ourselves anywhere else, because we're family, So first of all, you see us every single Sunday on a live Zoom. We are in our homes. It's a very intimate environment. But something that incredible that we're going to be doing starting in 2024. So
yes,
in just a few days, in Casa Local Aromas, we are going to do something we have never done. Okay, so Casa Local Aromas now is like a three-year-old.
Yes, yeah, around 3 years old. Yes,
and starting in a few days, we are going to be traveling, and you are coming with us. Just for the members in the community, we're going to be taking our family throughout all 20 regions of Italy. It's not going to be all in 2024, but every 2 months, we're going to travel to an Italian region, and we're just going to sink in.
So imagine we're going to have to eat the cuisine of that region. We're going to have to drink, we're going to have to taste. We're going to go inside the homes of local chefs that will teach us how to make local recipes, local pasta shapes. We're going to go to wineries. We're going to explore. We're going to just bring you in with us. And I'm so excited because there's so many places that I've not, to many regions
Italians living
we've
in
never
Italy,
been to. And
we've never been to.
And we're so excited, and we just can't wait. And it's going to be a wonderful, incredible journey.
It's a journey that, we have never done before, 20 regions, that we're going to slowly develop throughout the years. Yeah. But for our members, imagine we've balanced it also in the 20 regions. Some regions are internationally more famous than others, and so we spread them because there's some tiny regions that nobody knows about, but they are so incredible. Or maybe like the big regions that everybody knows about, you just know about that one famous city, but you don't know about all the rest. And we're bringing that into your homes.
Can't wait.
I know, for
So
the
excited.
members of Casa Local Aromas. So if you purchased the Little Hands Big Pasta online course, inside, we started this conversation saying that we had a gift for you. Inside, you have a 50% discount to join the family, to see,
Wow.
you know, if it resonates. It's
That's
not that
a
we want
beautiful gift.
we want everybody in. It's a place where you have to love being there. Okay, so we're also we just want people to really enjoy the family. So you can come in, you can see what there is in our school, you can see what the community is all about, and then you can choose if you want to stay. You can unsubscribe whenever you want. It's a very relaxed, you know, it's
Very relaxed.
very relaxed, homey place. And this is the gift that we wanted to give you if you purchase at a very tiny price the kids only pasta making journey, because it's Christmas and
everybody's nicer
their
at
little
Christmas.
gift.
Exactly. Everybody gets their gift, and this is also is a wonderful gift.
And so you have your little children getting there, or your grandchildren, or your
Kids,
students.
exactly. I mean, exactly.
Get
you know.
there, but you're also getting it. You're also getting your little gift, and then you come into our home, because it's our home. It's not our home. It's our home. Casa Local Aromas. That is where we pour our love into. Absolutely. We just pour everything that we do. We pour it in our community, and then it's incredible, because then when they come to Rome, thank goodness we live in Rome. Everybody ends up
in Rome. They say all the roads lead to Rome.
At some point in your life, you're going to end up to Rome. And it's incredible, because there's so many people that we just feel like family. Now we're just like, you know, we know each other's personality. And so we know each other. We see each other every Sunday. And then when they come, but we've never met. We have actually
So
never
exciting.
met in person. And like every 2-3 times a year, somebody of the community comes. And it's such a blessing. It's such a blessing to have a special relationship. So we would really love
because
to
at the
meet
end,
you.
Yes, you know, we're going to become your Italian family.
Yes, that's
And,
who we are.
That's who we are. And we really hope that you join. We really hope that you fall in love, which deep down inside I know you will, with this beautiful, extended Italian online family. And
Because we have a lot of projects. I mean, you should know that Local Aromas is run by these two, you know.
did we tell them that we're sisters? If the people are seeing it here the first time, they don't know.
We are Italian
We're
sisters.
Yes, we're sisters.
Living in Italy. We have our own company, which is called Local Aromas, which we started in 2016. And it started off actually like in-person experiences.
So you had to come here to Rome to do something with us.
Food tours, you know, we all both specialize in what we love the most.
So I'm a wine sommelier. I love wine. I'm a professional cheese taster. That's a thing. And also an olive oil sommelier.
And I'm a trained pastry chef, and I'm becoming a trained olive oil taster. And so we started off by doing, you know, what we know best. So we did cooking classes, wine tasting, extra virgin olive oil tasting, all in Rome, which we still do. So, you know, if you come, here we are. But then, you know, through the years, we evolved. We also added new projects. So, you know, our YouTube channel, and then our Italian online cooking school before.
At the beginning,
it was
just
a cooking school. Then it turned into Casa Local Aromas, and then it turned into an Italian food and wine school, because it's not just about recipes.
No, it's way beyond.
We share the stories also behind the Italian products, like what is Parmigiano Reggiano? What's the difference between Parmigiano Reggiano, Pecorino Romano, Grana Padano? What is salami? And so there you have all this information, and We are actually blessed with also sharing the school with many university students that are exploring Italian culture. So it's become it's incredible how like this little poof that you have in your heart
becomes something so
becomes,
big.
and we thank goodness we have so many poofs in our hearts, and so we do. We are already like, imagine when the story that I told you about what we're going to start doing in 2024. That is an idea that we had in January 2023. Like, we still had to work through the entire year, but we were already thinking, and so you have no idea already what we are creating. And to then, once everything is set and looks pretty, we have tested it, we are proud, we're going to bring to you. So you guys she should hang around because
because it's going to be fun.
You're never going to get
fun
bored.
Ride. No, you won't.
You're never.
Never. That we can guarantee.
And our mission is to bring the Italian lifestyle, to celebrate the Italian lifestyle with you being in your homes, us being in our homes, but together we still cook and we drink and we eat and we just
enjoy life and we
just
laugh
have so
and
much
we
fun.
create incredible lifetime memories, and that's so important. At the end
Yes,
of the
I
day.
would say that Casa Local Aromas is like no other course, because yes, many courses has,
But it's not a course.
It's not
just,
a course.
No,
it's not a school. It's a community. It's not a community.
It's beyond that. It's unique. You just have to come.
It's
you
a
know what?
family.
Just come, try
Yes.
it, test it, and we really cannot wait to see you, to
Yes.
meet you. We really meet you. We really, really look forward to meeting you.
Yes. So thank you for these 24 days with us. We are very blessed to having connected with you, I would say.
That's already a blessing. So thank you for your time, which is always important, and we hope you have an amazing Christmas day.
Yes, amazing holidays.
Amazing holidays, and we wish you all the best, and we really hope to see you in your Italian online home.
Yes, we really would love to see you in Casa Local Aromas. So, Buon Natale to you. Cook, eat, drink, live Italiano.